If you're watching this video and you like it, give it a like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our chord tutorial videos. Today we're talking about a common progression, the 1, 4, 5, 1. And we're in the key of D. So in the key of D, being scale degree 1 there, we need a major chord. So that's going to be D, F sharp, A for our capital Roman numeral 1. To get to our 4 chord, we're going to go to the 4th scale degree of that scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's G. Give us a major chord off of G. Spell it G, B, D. Major G, major 4 chord. Then we're going to go to that 5, go right next door, major, A, C sharp, E. A major chord is our major 5 chord in the key of D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in one hand, that progression starting on D major and ending on D major could sound like this. 2, 3, 4. D, G. Take it up to A. Ends on D. In two hands, starting on D, let's rock it out. Give me a 1, 4, 5, 1. One more time, D. Play that again for some more practice, get creative with the in-between notes, and then play on to our next video.